line from the cockpit, the audience erupted in applause. Characters like Pallavi, Tessa, Panimala, Kanjanamala, R.J. Sala, and Samila showcase Parvati's unique narrative style and her ability to breathe life into each role she portrays. Her exceptional talent has not only earned her recognition in Malayalam cinema, but has also drawn attention from beyond. Her accolades include the Silver Peacock Award for Best Actress at the International Film Award of India and the North American Film Award for Best Actress, among many others. Her dedication, versatility, and exceptional talent continue to inspire and captivate audiences worldwide, making her a true icon of excellence in the film industry. Gulf Madhyamam proudly welcomes Parvati Thiruvottu to receive the prestigious Eastern Indo-Arab Women Excellence Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to welcome a stellar performer whose exceptional talent and versatility have captivated audiences far and wide. Please join us in celebrating the incredible Malayalam actress Parvati Thiruvottu as she graces the stage to receive the Indo-Arab Women Excellence Award. To honor our award recipient, we have distinguished guests joining us to hand over this prestigious award. Please join me in welcoming our chief guest, Ms. Amna Al-Dahri, Chief Executive Officer, His Highness Shri Qamar bin Zayed Al Nahyan Private Office. And please join us. I would also love to request Mr. Ashraf Alima, the Executive Director, Lulu International, and also from Gulf Madhyamam, Mr. V.K. Hamza Abbas, the Chief Editor, P.K. Sali, CEO, Madhyamam Eastern Representative, Babu Keshivan, General Manager, Eastern Continents, MENA, onto the stage. Nalluri Karyani, please.
And now, I would request Amna Al-Dahri to do the honors. Can we have the memento, please? Congratulations to you, Parvati. Big rounds of applause. A truly deserved award.
ഹലോ ഷാർജ, നമസ്കാരം. ഇവിടെ വരാൻ പറ്റിയതിൽ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം. ആദ്യം തന്നെ ഗൾഫ് മാധ്യമം മൈ ബിഗ് കൺഗ്രാറ്റുലേഷൻസ്. ഇതൊരു വലിയൊരു തോതിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു പരിപാടി കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യുക സക്സസ്ഫുൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ചെറിയ കാര്യമല്ല. ദാറ്റ് റിക്വയർസ് എഫേർട്ട്, യെസ്, ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ് റിക്വയർസ് ഹാർട്ട് ആൻഡ് യു ആൾ സീം ടു ഹാവ് എ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്. സോ താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ ഇൻവൈറ്റിംഗ് മീ. ഈ ഒരു സമ്മാനം എനിക്ക് തരിക, ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു വേദിയിൽ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് എന്നെ ഗെയിമിംഗ് കാണിച്ച് എന്നെ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ വർക്കിനെ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് വളരെ ഹംബ്ലിംഗ് ആണ്. പക്ഷേ ഇന്ന് എൻ്റെ ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ മുമ്പിൽ നിന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ അവാർഡ് തരുന്നത്. അഞ്ജലി മേനൻ എനിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സ് സമ്മാനിച്ച എൻ്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട സംവിധായിക, എൻ്റെ സുഹൃത്ത്, എൻ്റെ വഴികാട്ടി. അപ്പോൾ അഞ്ജലിയുടെ മുമ്പിൽ വെച്ച് എനിക്ക് അവാർഡ് കിട്ടിയതിൽ അതിലുപരി സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ഒരു വളരെ ഉഗ്രൻ പരിപാടിയായിട്ട് നടക്കട്ടെ അവാർഡ് കേരള. ഈ വേദിയിൽ നിൽക്കാൻ പറ്റിയതിൽ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം. താങ്ക് യു.
Congratulations.
എല്ലാവർക്കും വിനീതമായ നമസ്കാരം. ആദ്യമായി 25ാം വാർഷികം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ബർത്ത്ഡേ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മാധ്യമത്തിന് എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ അഭിനന്ദനം. മലയാളികളുടെ, പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് പ്രവാസി മലയാളികളെ എന്നും ഹൃദയത്തോട് ചേർത്ത് നിർത്തുന്ന ഒരു പത്രമാണ് മാധ്യമം. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഗൾഫിലെ, പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് UAE-യും കേരളവും തമ്മിലുള്ള ബന്ധം വളരെ
നമുക്ക് സൈഡിലേക്ക് ഒന്ന് നീങ്ങാം.
of cinema, filmmaker and screenplay writer Anjali Menon. Anjali Menon, primed to join her family's business in Dubai, defied expectations and carved her own destiny. As both an intimate insider and a curious outsider in Kerala, Anjali chose to tell stories through the magic of celluloid. Her debut feature, Manjari Guru, captivated audiences and critics alike, winning several awards, including the prestigious FIPRE SCI Prize for Best Malayalam Film at the International Film Festival of Kerala in 2008. Anjali's storytelling prowess continued to shine, with Ustad Honor earning her the National Award for Best Screenplay. Each film she creates leaves a lasting impression, contributing to the rich tapestry of Malayalam cinema. An alumnus of the London Film School, Anjali Menon is a vanguard, the woman who has directed and scripted mega-hit blockbusters like Bangalore Days and Koda, in an industry where each achievements are rare. Her unique way of narrating stories brings a fresh perspective, blending the traditional with the contemporary. Her journey inspires us all, showcasing the power of following one's passion and breaking new ground. Gulf Madhibam proudly welcomes one of the most exciting and original voices of the new wave of Malayalam cinema, Anjali Menon, to the auspicious venue of Come On Kerala to receive the
Her dedication and creativity inspires countless individuals. Please give a warm round of applause for the outstanding Malayalam movie director, Anjali Menon. Anjali Menone തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പാർവതി സെന്റർ സ്റ്റേജിലും കൂടി ഉണ്ടായേ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. No, I think you need to have her. So നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും സാന്നിധ്യത്തിലാണ് നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു അവാർഡ് കൊടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്.
And we first our chief guest, Ms. Amna Al-Dahri, Chief Executive Officer, Ms. Aida Shekhova bin Zayed Al Nahyan, private officers to do the honors.
Now, these are few words.
Good evening and namaskaram. Firstly, congratulations to Gulf Madhibam for the 25 years and to Hit FM for the 20 years. ഇവിടെയുള്ള എല്ലാ മലയാളികൾക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെപ്പോലെ ഒരു പ്രവാസിയായിട്ട് തന്നെ ഇവിടെ വളർന്നിട്ടുള്ള ഒരാളാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ കഥകൾ പറയാനും നമ്മുടെ സിനിമകളിലേക്ക് എപ്പോഴും ഒരു ചായ്വുണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ ഒരിക്കലും നാട് വിട്ട് പോണ ആളല്ലല്ലോ മലയാളി. എത്ര ദൂരത്ത് നിൽക്കുകയാണെങ്കിലും എല്ലാ കാലത്തും കേരളത്തിലെ സംസ്കാരം മനസ്സിൽ കൊണ്ട് നടക്കുന്ന വ്യക്തികളാണ് മലയാളികൾ എന്നാണ് എപ്പോഴും എനിക്ക് തോന്നിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് ഇത്രയധികം ഒരു സപ്പോർട്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ സിനിമയ്ക്ക് ഈ നാട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടുന്നത്. സോ താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച് ഫോർ ദാറ്റ്. മച്ച് ലവ് ടു ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു. And for all those who don't speak Malayalam, I would just like to say that the audiences here really uphold our faith in our cinema, and that kind of support and love that flows in from this part of the world is incredibly important for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So I would still request all of you to be on stage because നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രസൻസിലാണ് നമുക്ക് ബാക്കിയുള്ളവർക്ക് അവാർഡ് കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്. So now can we move to the sides please again?
A university student discovering a passion to becoming a celebrated wildlife photographer is truly inspiring. Please join us in welcoming the exceptional Suad Al-Saldi to the stage to receive the Indo-Arab Women Excellence Award.
I request our chief guest, Amna Al-Dahri, to do the honors, please.
Can we also have Suad Al-Saldi's mother, Sheikha Saeed Al-Falazi, on stage? Please, ma'am. Please join us.
There was a time when a lot of award functions, the artists would actually take their mom, but we hardly see that today. And it's such an honor to be receiving this award in front of her mother. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Now a few words, please.
Namaste. I thank God for the story of my life. If it wasn't for the story of my life, I wouldn't be here today. I thank my mom for believing in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. Mom, congratulations. We did it. I thank each one of you for giving me time of your life today. I thank everyone who participated on making this successful. Thank you. If I believed in myself and I did it and believed in my small humble camera, you can do it too. Let's do it together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. She is one person who demonstrated that following one's passion can lead to extraordinary heights. And thank you so much for your words. And നമ്മൾ ഇനി അടുത്ത അവാർഡിലേക്ക് നീങ്ങാൻ പോവാണ്. Okay, photo session.
Even if you are a girl growing up in a state where girls don't even have the right to be born, you still have the right to dream.
Sonia Manchetta is a salubrious designer and entrepreneur who has carved a slot for herself in the traditionally male-dominated field of design strategy and innovation. From the early days of her career, Sonia has demonstrated that women can lead and excel in complex creative industries. She established one of India's pioneering design strategy practices, which eventually evolved into India's largest integrated design firm with a global reputation. In 2010, Sonia launched the Dream Project, a groundbreaking initiative that empowers people worldwide to focus on their dreams, not just their needs. This project has received global recognition, inspiring campaigns like the UN's Green Dreams at Rio +20, and has been acknowledged by Metropolis Magazine USA and improves newsboys' creative intelligence. Her firm, Spread Design and Innovation, bridges the physical and digital sphere, creating transformative brand and experience designs. As a member of the World Design Organization, Sonia's firm promotes the discipline of industrial design and its power to enhance quality of life globally, celebrating her outstanding contributions to design and her role as an inspiring female leader in the industry.
I request our chief guest, Ms. Amna Al-Darevi, to do the honors.
Thank you everyone. It is an honor for me to receive this award from my favorite person in this entire region. And I have deep gratitude, very grateful to the leadership at Gulf Madhyamam, and I'm truly honored to receive this award along with some truly talented women and to be on the stage with them. It is a great honor. Our dream really is to bring design to this region. Some of you may know our work. You may know the Kochi International Airport, the branding of the airport. You may have been to Goa Airport. You may have seen the Hyderabad Airport. Our dream is to bring design to this region where we transform schools, hospitals, airports, every experience to be successful, where everyone can be successful, where it can be sustainable, it can be green and be a benchmark.
Dr. Femina Sultana, a renowned healthcare professional whose dedication to medical service has profoundly impacted the lives of people in Saudi Arabia and the wider Arab community. Born into a family with a strong sense of social commitment, Dr. Femina developed a deep understanding of human goodness through her diverse experiences. Her passion for understanding human behavior led her to pursue a Bachelor of Ayurveda medicine from Government Ayurveda College. She further advanced her expertise with a Master's in Autism from the University of Stirling, transforming her approach to healthcare. She envisioned a holistic care model which laid the foundation for an autism park, integrating modern and Ayurvedic treatments, using innovative methods like augmented and virtual reality to enhance the lives of special needs children. Driven by a mission to create the best integrated medical facility in the country, Dr. Femina is merging modern, Ayurvedic and other medical disciplines to offer affordable, customized treatments. Her work continues to inspire and pave the way for a healthier, more inclusive future. Gulf Madhima proudly